Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today guys, we unboxing. Here you go. This is a Logitech G29. There is open na.
I'd be opening it upside down. Yeah, we're opening this upside down, Mommy. It's not gonna be. Okay.
There you go. Ta-da!
Yeah, we opened it upside down.
Upside down. Okay.
Open it. Want me to pull it?
There you go.
Oh,
Ooh.
God.
It's a box in the box. There you
Here
go.
it is.
Here he is. G29 driving force Logitech, and there's G29,
Nice.
and there he is.
This is compatible with the PlayStation 5, the PlayStation 4, what? The PlayStation 3?
Yeah, PlayStation 3, PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, and PC.
It didn't say it.
You see that is Mac too.
Yeah, it is. There you go. There you go.
Okay,
I'm the unboxer.
there you go. There is the, what's this?
In a box, in a box, in a box.
It's
That's instructions.
instruction. This here.
Okay, so here.
Here's the power
I think
adapter.
this is the power.
There is.
Connected to that. And then we got F1 Racing.
Okay.
Okay, so it's here. This cord thing. Separator. And this.
Load it.
Out.
And there's the pedal. That's a pedal, I think. There you go.
And then here.
There's the
I'll hold this one. Okay, take the box away.
steering wheel.
That's the box. There's no shift.
No shifter. There is. There's the steering wheel. Here, get the plastic now.
The heck?
Ta-da!
That doesn't smell
Look
weird.
at
It
that.
smells a little bit weird, does it?
See?
Does it smell weird?
Wow. It's weird. That they do the pedal. There is the
Steering wheel. I'll take
steering
it.
wheel.
Whoa!
There you go.
Look at this thing.
There is. Look at that. It's nice.
You want to see the shifter, Daddy?
No, don't do that.
You want to see the...
Separate shifter? That was a more expensive one.
There you go.
No, look. There's a shifter. Right here. These are the
Yeah, that
shifters.
is a pad
Here's
shifter.
a clutch. Why has it got a clutch then?
There you go, RJ.
What?
The third pedal is a clutch.
Okay, guys, we put
This?
in the
That's a clutch.
table.
That's the
The
gas.
end table.
This is...
There is all the stuff inside. Here's the box, and here's the pedal, and have here the power adapter.
Yeah, now I'm going to
There is.
show you what the buttons do.
So,
So
here's
this
the
is a regular.
PlayStation.
This is a regular
5.
controller. So these
Yep.
are the regular buttons here. And then you got this.
Yeah.
And R2 and L2 are right here. And then L3 and R3 are here.
Yep.
Like the joysticks and the PlayStation button. Options.
Yep.
The share button. And like positive, negative. These are, I'm pretty sure these are shifters. Also has like a,
Yep, like that. Wow, look at that. Okay, we
this.
put now in there in the
It also
main
has a
table.
padding. Has a padding
We
here.
have a cable long enough.
Yeah.
Okay guys, I put now here guys, this is the power adapter. I put now here, and this is the connection of the pedal. That there the pedal. So I put in here. Okay, there you go guys. I put this here. is the power cord and the pedal, and have put here the wire in here so that it's not mess. There you go. So the, and that's it, and we put now here in the table. She's not working. Okay guys, I just put in here in ladder because it's flat in here. Have a small ladder here, so we try if we fit this. So this is the clamp to put in the ladder. This so that I hope is fit, that clamp and this clamp, and this put in here the small ladder. So this here, there we go. Just put this clamp, this we turn so that here, see that there. So then if you push, that is lock. See, very hard now. So here, not yet. That clamp in there. So we turn to make tight. Okay, and then push down. There you go. Yeah, have here now, RJ.
Mommy did it!
Yeah. Look at RJ.
Now the question that we all have is,
There he is.
how am I gonna get food? Okay, I guess we have to buy another one of these.
Look at the but the pedal where I put in the front in here.
Mommy did it, but she...
Go. Oh wait, you turn up.
Mommy,
Here's the wire in here.
I need to hopefully.
And
Okay.
here's guys the pedal, and that the steering wheel.
Not gonna work.
Temporary, that is we have no table to put. So
Open
there is
What?
PS5.
Yeah.
There's an open slot to
Yeah.
plug in USB.
there you go.
Read instructions.
Okay. Okay guys, the power I put now here.
Okay.
There is, and here the USB of steering wheel. See? Look at
What's
that.
it doing?
Here guys, we download the Crew 2.
97.
There is 100% now.
No, it's
There
not.
is the games is work.
97.
Okay, that's in there.
It's 97.
Oh, I think it's 100%.
Two settings.
There is.
98.
So have here I put in the side the pedal.
Yeah,
So
Mommy doesn't want to buy a stand for
So-
$200.
have here the USB.
Extender and then the
Have a extension USB. Have here,
Okay, it's ready.
and here the
Mommy, it's
recorder.
Ready.
The USB to.
It's
So
ready.
go to the settings.
Okay,
Yeah,
ready?
the Proto settings. Okay, there is. Ooh, look at that.
It's a PS4 game. Right now,
Yep.
PS5.
Oh, still downloading?
No.
What's that download?
Old.
The buttons here is working. Oh, is that update the game on up to use
We're
network?
not using network features.
Okay. Okay, next. There you go.
Oh yeah. Well, Mommy, look. Mommy, look.
Ooh, look at
Mommy, look.
that.
Look. You can turn the steering wheel now. You can't do
Start
it.
your story. Guys, we wait for updating the Crew 2. Okay guys, this is my budget setup. Temporary. There is. So, yan ang pedal. And here is the Pro 2. Still downloading. Oh, it's already installed, RJ.
So cute.
Huh? Here's my son. Try to
Don't record
testing.
me. Don't. Maybe it'll work.
Oh, there is. Oh, look at that.
No, leave. So does it have my old? I think it should have my old V2 and L1. See? Oh yeah, it has my old.
Go to the street racing, RJ. Mustang, that Mustang, RJ.
Oh, right.
Nice Mustang fastback. Oh,
If I get
GT
into
fastback. Oh, look at that. It's not original, no, RJ. You.
I wanted the upgrade. How do we go back? Back to.
Okay, there you go.
Oh my god, I feel it now.
You have the cruise setup.
There is.
Whoa.
Automatically?
Now I'm driving.
Ooh. Slowly to. You not know, RJ. Slowly. My goodness, RJ.
NASCAR!
What you do?
And
How do we
push
get
the
out?
gas pedal? Hit the brakes. Here you go.
Yep. It's work.
Let's go!
There you go.
Use the steering.
Slowly, RJ.
Slow down, do some turns.
Okay, guys. There you go. And that's it for our testing for the Logitech G29. There you go.
Is it testing? What's
There
happening?
is. What's that happen, RJ? Are you doing
Oh, what's
crazy?
happening?
It's so nice. I like it.
Oh, that's
But
good.
need to practice more.
I'm not
Yes.
sure what happened. I was right there and then I spun.
Okay, that's it for now. Our video of today.